Hello everyone. Today, Hot Ton will introduce the dish, great shrimp and pork spring rolls, or the Vietnamese standard cool spring rolls. How to make. Prepare ingredients: 400 grams of pork belly or pork leg, 300 grams of fresh shrimp, 500 grams of fresh vermicelli, 1 pack of rice paper, 1 large bunch of raw vegetables, including lettuce, herbs, perilla, basil, bean sprouts, chives, spices, salt, onion, ginger, garlic, chopped chili. Optional. Fish sauce, sugar, lemon juice. Steps: wash the meat, put it in a pot of cold water, add a little salt, ginger and crushed onion. Boil. When the meat is cooked, take it out and soak it immediately in ice water to keep the meat white, crispy and not dark. Cut the meat into thin, long slices. Wash the shrimp, cut off the head. Put the shrimp in a pot of boiling water, you can add a little salt. When the shrimp turns pink, it is cooked. Take out the shrimp, peel it, split it in half lengthwise. Wash the raw vegetables, soak them in diluted salt water, take them out and drain. Boil the fresh vermicelli in boiling water until it is loose and then drain. Mix fish sauce, sugar and filtered water, stir until dissolved. Add lemon juice, stir well. Finally, add the minced garlic and chili. Place the rice paper on a clean flat surface. Arrange the ingredients in order: lettuce, herbs, bean sprouts, vermicelli. Place the meat slices and 2 halves of the shrimp near the outer edge so that when rolled, the shrimp and meat are exposed and look nice. Fold the 2 edges of the rice paper in, then roll them tightly from the bottom up. Presentation and enjoyment: arrange the spring rolls on a plate, decorate the spring roll dish with herbs. Serve with a bowl of sweet and sour dipping sauce. Things to note: fresh shrimp will give the most chewy and sweet meat. When boiling, remove the shrimp as soon as it is cooked to keep it crispy. Always soak the meat in ice water after boiling to firm it up, prevent it from fading and make it easy to slice beautifully. If using chives, you should blanch it in boiling water for about 5 seconds and then remove it so that the chives are soft and green. The spring rolls need to be rolled tightly so that they do not fall apart when dipped and eaten. Shrimp and pork spring rolls are a popular and favorite dish in Vietnamese cuisine. This dish conquers diners with a wonderful harmony between fresh ingredients, the natural sweetness of fresh shrimp and boiled meat, the freshness of raw vegetables, lettuce, basil, bean sprouts, and the softness and chewiness of vermicelli. All are wrapped in a thin layer of rice paper, creating a roll that is both beautiful and nutritionally balanced. Spring rolls are best when dipped in fish sauce. There are 2 popular options: traditional sweet and sour fish sauce or rich, fatty soybean sauce, soybean paste. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to see more delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.